LB17 here, one of your most favorite YouTubers, and today we are going to be trying out the magnificent honey stick thing. Crap, I need to get something to open it, so see you when I get something. Okay, I got a pair of scissors to open this up, and I've never really had honey before, like just plain. So I'm gonna try to eat this whole entire thing. Disgusting or delicious. If it's delicious, of course I'll probably eat it. Okay, that's kind of weird. Alright, I'm just nervous. Alright, let's do this. Oh my god, the aftertaste. So sweet. Oh yeah, this isn't just regular honey. It's like spicy honey. I got it at like some meat shop place. A lot of meat. Right, so I'm gonna try to eat or drink this whole thing. Oh my god. Oh my god. This stuff is gross. Guys, so I know this is a short video. I just wanted to make a short little fun video of me trying out this new food because I was gonna either try it out or hate it and throw it away, or I was gonna try it out, hate it, and then post it on YouTube and get some views. So I decided to hate it and put it on YouTube, which it was disgusting. And that's all for this video. Comment down in the comment section below what you guys want to see next. I'm gonna try to do hopefully we're going to be doing a Lego vs trampoline challenge, which is going to be very painful, and I'm not looking forward to it. But let's just put that all aside. And as I said, my last video that I uploaded, I'm gonna hopefully be putting up a lot of videos this week because again, it's Thanksgiving break. And that's all for this video. Make sure I already said that. And bye. Have a beautiful time.